Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to optimize your Fiverr gigs for search engines using AI. Fiverr is a popular platform where freelancers offer their services to buyers worldwide. However, with the increasing competition on Fiverr, it's essential to optimize your gigs for search engines to stand out from the rest. Using AI, we can automate and simplify the process of optimizing our Fiverr gigs for search engines. What is SEO? Before we dive into how to optimize our Fiverr gigs using AI, let's first understand what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website or content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. The higher your content ranks in SERPs, the more likely it is to be seen by potential clients or customers. Why is SEO important for Fiverr gigs? Optimizing your Fiverr gigs for search engines is crucial if you want to increase your visibility and attract more clients. When buyers search for services on Fiverr, they use keywords related to the service they are looking for. By optimizing your gigs with the right keywords, you increase the chances of your gigs appearing at the top of search results. How AI can help with SEO optimization of Fiverr gigs. AI, or artificial intelligence, can help simplify and automate the process of optimizing your Fiverr gigs for search engines. With the help of AI tools, you can easily analyze your gig, identify areas for improvement, and optimize it for better search engine ranking. Now let's move on to the steps for optimizing your Fiverr gigs with AI. Step 1. Keyword research. The first step in optimizing your Fiverr gig with AI is to conduct keyword research. Keyword research is the process of identifying the right keywords to target in your gig. You can use AI tools such as Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to conduct keyword research. To start with, enter a broad keyword related to your service in the tool's search bar. The tool will generate a list of related keywords, along with their search volume and competition. You can use this data to identify the right keywords to target in your gig. Choose keywords that have high search volume and low competition. These are the keywords that are most likely to bring in traffic to your gig. Once you have identified the right keywords, incorporate them into your gig title, description, tags, and metadata. Step 2. Optimize your gig title. The title of your Fiverr gig is the first thing that buyers will see when they search for services. It's essential to optimize your gig title to include relevant keywords and make it appealing to potential clients. Use AI tools such as Headline Analyzer, CoSchedule Headline Analyzer, or Share-Through Headline Analyzer to analyze the effectiveness of your gig title. These tools will provide you with a score based on the quality of your headline and give suggestions for improvement. Make sure your gig title is clear, concise, and includes the main keyword. Avoid using filler words or unnecessary punctuation in your title. Step 3. Optimize your gig description. Your gig description is where you can provide more details about your service and convince potential clients to choose your gig. It's essential to optimize your gig description to include relevant keywords and make it easy to read. Use AI tools such as Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to analyze the readability of your gig description. These tools will highlight complex sentences, suggest alternatives, and provide a readability score. Make sure your gig description is easy to read, includes relevant keywords, and highlights the benefits of your service. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that buyers may not understand. Step 4. Optimize your gig tags. Tags are essential for optimizing your Fiverr gig for search engines. Tags are keywords that describe your service and help buyers find your gig. Use AI tools such as Keyword Tool or WordStream to identify relevant tags for your gig. Make sure your tags are relevant to your service and include keywords that buyers are likely to search for. Use a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords in your tags. Step 5. Optimize your gig metadata. Metadata includes the title, description, and tags of your gig. It's essential to optimize your metadata to include relevant keywords and make it appealing to potential clients. Use AI tools such as Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack to optimize your metadata for better search engine ranking. These tools will provide suggestions for improving your metadata and analyze the effectiveness of your metadata. Make sure your metadata includes relevant keywords, is easy to read, and highlights the benefits of your service. Step 6. Use AI tools to analyze your gig performance. Once you have optimized your Fiverr gig for search engines, it's essential to track your gig's performance using AI tools. Use tools such as Google Analytics or Fiverr Analytics to track your gig's views, clicks, and orders. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your gig accordingly. For example, if your gig is getting a lot of views but few orders, you may need to adjust your pricing or improve the quality of your service. Finally, I had to tell. Optimizing your Fiverr gigs for search engines using AI can help you increase your visibility and attract more clients. By conducting keyword research, optimizing your gig title, description, tags, and metadata, and using AI tools to analyze your gig's performance, you can improve your Fiverr gig's search engine ranking and attract more buyers. Remember, the key to successful Fiverr gig optimization is to stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and adjust your gig accordingly. With the help of AI tools, you can simplify and automate the process of optimizing your Fiverr gigs for search engines and stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.